Mend fences. The idiom, mend fences, is used to describe the act of repairing or improving a damaged or strained relationship with someone. It is often used in situations where there has been a disagreement, misunderstanding, or conflict between two individuals or groups, and both parties want to reconcile and restore a positive relationship. The origin of this idiom comes from the literal act of repairing fences that have been broken or damaged. In the past, it was common for neighbors or landowners to share a fence, and if it was broken, it would need to be mended to maintain boundaries and harmony. Over time, this literal meaning evolved into a metaphorical expression for repairing relationships. Here are a few examples of how the idiom, mend fences, can be used in everyday conversations. 1. After a heated argument, Sarah and her best friend decided to mend fences and apologize to each other. They realized that their friendship was more important than their disagreement. 2. The CEO of the company took steps to mend fences with the employees after a series of layoffs. He organized a town hall meeting to address their concerns and promised to improve communication and transparency. 3. The two neighboring countries have been in conflict for years, but recently, their leaders have expressed a willingness to mend fences and work towards peace. Diplomatic talks and negotiations have begun to resolve their differences. 4. After a long period of estrangement, Jane reached out to her estranged sister to mend fences. They met for coffee and had an open and honest conversation, which helped them rebuild their bond. 5. The politician realized the importance of mending fences with the voters after a scandal. He went on a public apology tour, visited different communities, and listened to their concerns to regain their trust. In all of these examples, the idiom, mend fences, is used to convey the idea of repairing relationships and working towards reconciliation. It emphasizes the importance of resolving conflicts and restoring harmony in personal, professional, or even international contexts.